Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down until you find Messages and Story Replies, and then select Message Controls and select your followers on Instagram. So that means that you will be controlling your settings for your followers on Instagram. So select Message Requests if you want to receive message requests from them. Then for everybody else, select Others on Instagram and then select Message Requests again if you want to receive message requests from them. And that's how you can allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!